My doorbell rang at 2:03 a.m., and the live camera showed my empty hallway. I ignored it at first until the app sent another alert, motion detected. The feed still showed nothing, but the doorbell rang again, longer this time, like someone was holding it down. A third alert popped up. Face recognized. I live alone. The system zoomed in on the darkness and outlined a face that slowly faded in. Mine. My phone vibrated with a final message from the doorbell app. Access granted. Welcome home. I heard the lock click open behind me, and the camera feed switched to inside my living room, showing someone stepping in. I was already standing there,